bit more special.
Yeah.
I know my
Yes.
son's going to hold this against me, but it is. I think for every father, the daughter is just this unbelievable
I can see
princess.
the glee in your
Yeah.
eyes when you're talking about your kids. Now
I was
I
just
feel
thinking
that you
about
become
them
a
this
family
morning.
Yeah, now that I want to say that now after listening to all this, you become a family man.
Totally.
Well, I'm going to give some more question chances here to the media fraternity who's right here. So please raise your hand and go on to the question. Shoot to the man here who's going to answer it right away for you all. Do we have some questions?
Yeah.
No, just like that.
Vivek, just now you spoke about your son. Has he seen your movies? Does he understand all that stuff? He says his favorite movie of yours, like that. Something.
Yeah, he does. He doesn't have a favorite yet. I mean, I think for him to understand the whole concept of a film is just about starting. And it was so funny the other day. I said I'm going for shooting, and how they pick on to small things. So he says, "Dada, I'm coming with you. I also want to come for shooting." And he says, "Wait, I'm going to get my BB gun and my pellets." And I was like, shooting? And then I realized he's thinking it's that kind of shooting. And then I was like, no, 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 no. Okay. Then from now on in my house, we don't say shooting anymore. We say we're going for filming. So he understands film. And it's interesting because when he sees me on screen, it's the first time he saw me on screen. He was sitting next to me. So he was watching me on TV and then he was looking at me. Then he was watching me on TV, then he was looking at me.
And Papa,
It was,
Papa,
yeah.
look you, someone looks like
So
you.
it's beautiful to see them discover that. I mean, every step of the way. But I don't think he's completely understood it yet. He has come to the set a few times. He's come to play with Rian, who's his friend, who's Ritesh's son. So it's a lot of fun. Yeah.
And which of
विवेक आपके घर की वो कौन सा कमरा होगा या कौन सी चीज होगी जिससे बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनली अटैच्ड हैं आपने उसे सजाया है
मेरे बच्चों का कमरा क्योंकि my wife and I we designed that room ourselves. वो शायद मतलब घर का सबसे खूबसूरत कमरा है और जब वो बना कमरा when we finished making that room, building that room, we built it from scratch. When we built that room, the two of us were standing in there and said, should we just make this our room? There was a moment of एक मिनट के लिए नियत बदल गई कि यार ये कमरा इतना खूबसूरत है ये हमारा कमरा बन जाए. They have the most beautiful room in the house and it's lovely. It's warm and it's home. So.
विवेक सर इस समय देश में एक चर्चा चल रही है इंटॉलरेंस को लेकर तो मैं बस इतना जानना चाहता हूँ कि आप अनुपम खेर के स्टेटमेंट का सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं या आमिर खान के स्टेटमेंट?
Yeah.
This is coming.
Okay, let me just say it in this way that for his body of work and for the actor that Aamir Khan has been, I have a lot of respect for Aamir Khan for his work as an actor. But my personal belief is that India is the most tolerant country in the world, and it has been for thousands of years. India is an icon, a symbol of tolerance, and it has been for thousands of years and continues to inspire people. When the world was, fighting in holy crusades with one religion against the other, we were learning how to live with each other, how to create with each other, how to build, monuments, create cultural artifacts together, paint, write poetry, celebrate each other, and that's what India's unique contribution to the world has been. India is a confluence of all religions, ideas, ideologies, politics, all of it. And I have deep respect for that, and I have immense pride to be an Indian. I want to live here, I want to die here. Actually, 2 days ago, परसों के दिन was the last day, and हम तीनों काफ़ी इमोशनल हो गए क्योंकि एक इतनी आदत बन जाती है एक दूसरे के साथ शूटिंग करते करते और जो हमारी एक केमिस्ट्री है, कैमराडरी है, दोस्ती है, खासकर इंद्र कुमार जी के साथ में जो हमारे हमसे बुजुर्ग हैं, हमसे बड़े हैं, लेकिन with us he just becomes एक हम उम्र बन जाते हैं and we have such a great time shooting it. And जिस तरह से हम छोटी छोटी इम्प्रोवाइजेशन करते रहते हैं सेट पे एक दूसरे के ऊपर प्रैंक्स खेलते रहते हैं, यू मिस दैट.
एंड हाल में सलमान ने भी विजिट किया था, बट जो पता चला था कि जब सलमान वहाँ पे गए थे तो विवेक थोड़ा सा हट गए थे वहाँ से, क्या ऐसा हुआ?
one of the actor जो आप हम कुछ भी पूछते हैं आपको तो आप बोल देते हो, तो you just want to clear it, anything you want to say or
मैं क्या बोलूँ मैं what have I got to say in this? मेरा तो कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें. Something that happened in 2003 and we are sitting in 2015. Do you remember anything that happened in 2003? man.
That's
I'm
why
living
we are
life.
asking, no, कि
Enjoy.
क्या अभी भी है like सलमान
don't
शाहरुख एक हो गए, सारी चीजें खत्म हो गई, happily Bollywood एकदम happy family हो गया, लेकिन क्या विवेक
Can we move on from that question?
Yeah, I think we
I
should
think
move
you're
on.
asking
Yes,
the wrong
thank you.
person.
You know, also Vivek,
going back to 2003 एक सवाल है आपसे कि 12 to 14 years in the film industry. तो कि
14 12.
12 yeah that's what 12 years. तो कितना फिट मानते हो खुद को आप in the industry?
इस वक्त बहुत अनफिट हूँ यार, 5-6 किलो कम करने हैं मुझे.
अच्छा also we were talking about the kids तो एक सवाल एक और है आपसे kids की जो issues होते हैं उनको काफी नजरअंदाज किया जाता है जैसे फिटनेस को लेकर you just talk about your kids so I want to know your views on fitness की जब बात आती है related to kids and children.
I didn't understand the question. Fitness regarding kids I didn't understand. मतलब क्या है?
आज देखते हैं हम लैपटॉप पे या iPad
हाँ
पे
वैसे
just
हाँ नहीं of course बहुत ज़रूरी. You're absolutely right. That's a good point you raised. Being a parent now हमको लगता है कि iPad टाइम या TV टाइम थोड़ा लिमिटेड होना चाहिए एंड बच्चों को एक दूसरे के साथ अच्छा एक एक्सपोजर मिलना चाहिए. अभी हाल ही में मैंने एक जो अपना TV शो है इंडियाज़ बेस्ट ड्रामेबाज वापस शुरू किया जो बच्चों का शो है. So I just started season 2 and I started shooting for it. 12 दिसंबर को I think it will start airing. एंड इट वाज सो इंटरेस्टिंग कि जो बच्चे परफॉर्म करते हैं पीसेस पूरे भारत से आते हैं, दे कम फ्रॉम एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ इंडिया एंड जो वो लोग पीसेस स्टेज पर हमारे सामने परफॉर्म करते हैं वो पीसेस कहीं ना कहीं रेजोनेट करती हैं विचारधारा क्या है बच्चों की, व्हाट आर किड्स थिंकिंग राइट नाउ. एंड इट वाज सो इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी दैट सो मेनी चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम डिफरेंट एजेस वर सेइंग दैट ऑन स्टेज कि आजकल मज़ा नहीं आता क्योंकि सब बच्चे अपने अपने मोबाइल पे लगे रहते हैं, अपने अपने लैपटॉप पे लगे रहते हैं. शाम के समय जब खड़े रहो नीचे और बुलाने शुरू करो कि यार उतरो, अपने घरों से निकलो, खेलने उतरते हैं, गार्डन में चलते हैं, तो बच्चे आते नहीं हैं. एंड इट्स सो इंटरेस्टिंग दैट किड्स आर फीलिंग दैट आल्सो. मतलब ये बात इतनी आगे बढ़ चुकी है कि आज बच्चे महसूस करने लगे हैं कि मैदान खाली हैं, प्लेग्राउंड्स खाली हैं और बच्चों को खेलने के लिए कोई मिल नहीं रहा. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ बिकमिंग एन एपिडेमिक ऑफ सॉर्ट्स एंड थोड़ा सा पेरेंट्स को एड्रेस करना चाहिए बिकॉज इट हैज़ लाइक यू सेड करेक्टली फिजिकल ramifications.
Okay, now I want to ask you about your film Bank Chor with Yash Raj. You've been associating with them after Sathya?
Yeah.
How is the association now after
It's
such
been
a long time?
it's been great. I was very happy when Adi called me and said that this is a role that we've thought of for you और आपको ये film करनी है. And I think he's very happy with the way it's shaped up. Film's exciting, film's mad. The director Bumpy used to head MTV's creatives. तो उसने वैसे ही शूट की है पिक्चर. It's very young, very edgy, and it's going to be something that I think will surprise a lot of people. It's like a comic thriller.
All right, that's nice. We are waiting. I'm eagerly waiting to see. I'm sure that everybody is. I can only take one question and that's it.
One last question.
We'll wrap it up.
Vivek, आपकी great